The work week's going to start off on a rainy note. Tomorrow, dry across the area. We'll see warm conditions as well, but late night into Monday, that's when some rain showers start to push into the area. And as we go through Monday, scattered rain on and off. Better shot for rain coming Monday night and into Tuesday. As another wave of moisture rides along a frontal boundary and gives us a pretty good chance for some rain. Then as some colder air comes in, maybe even a little bit of snow. Now, this really isn't a milk and bread, go buy the peanut butter situation. I think we'll be okay with this storm. It looks like a minor light snow event as it moves through, with the best chances for any accumulation, the higher elevation across parts of southwest Virginia, also in the Tennessee, North Carolina mountains. White Top probably having the best chance of picking up any accumulating snow. That would be Tuesday night into Wednesday. Tonight, partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 30s, calm winds out there. Dew point around 31 degrees. Forecast lows tomorrow morning, generally in the 30s. We'll drop down to around 32 in Bristol. 56 tomorrow in Bristol for the afternoon, and 57 Elizabethton. Generally 50s across much of northeast Tennessee. Little exceptions. Mountain City, Boone, Jefferson, Rome Mountain, also into parts of Smith County and the eastern portion here of Washington County. And I say that because tomorrow you guys are going to be experiencing what's known as the wedge or cold air damming, where we see an easterly wind push into these areas. So Smith County, Asheville, Watauga, expect a little bit cooler temperatures tomorrow thanks to that easterly wind, while the rest of us have a southwesterly wind. All right, let's talk about later on in the work week and kind of the forecasting questions that are out there. We've got two different models we typically look at this long out, the European, the GFS. One model keeps us dry on Thursday, keeps most of the moisture down towards the south and delays that moisture coming in until we get into Friday. Another model wants to bring a batch of moisture through on Thursday into Thursday night and Friday. And if that were to happen, we'd have some colder air in place at the time. Now, these are just two models that we look at this time. There's also another way that you can forecast. That's by using ensembles. When you have a forecast this many days out, think of it kind of like Plinko, all right? You put that Plinko thing at the top, you drop it down, where's it going to go? You got a lot of different options of where it can go. So we kind of have a lot of different scenarios that can still play out. So how do we look at those scenarios? Well, we use something called ensemble models. Normally, models, data goes in, data comes out, forecast comes out, and that kind of sets the baseline forecast, but you only get really one outcome there. With our ensemble models, you slightly change the initial conditions and use some little different calculations. That presents a range of solutions if something were to change or something were to be off from what that one model thought it would be. So here's one of those ensemble models for Thursday into Friday. And you notice a couple of these, that one there, the first one, another one right down here, have a chance for some wintry weather. That's only got 6 out of 21 so far. So that's not great odds, but it's enough to put a little bit of a percentage on our 7-day forecast just so we watch it. So you notice Thursday night into Friday, 30% chance of some mixed precipitation. If you ever wonder how we make a 7-day forecast, there's how. Notice temperatures starting off the week rather warm, cold in the week. Temperatures on Wednesday only reaching 39 degrees.